Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. If 3 over 2 power x plus 3 over 3 power x is equal to 2 into 3 over 4 whole power x plus 2 into 2 by 2 over 9 whole power x, then find x value. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical questions are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. Here, given 3 over 2 power x, 3 over 3 power x is equal to 2 into 3 over 4 whole power x, 2 into 2 over 9 whole power x. Here the logic is multiply with multiply 2 power x on both sides. Multiply 2 power x on both sides. That is the logic here. Then 3 by 2 power x into 2 power x. 3 by 3 power x into 2 power x is equal to 2 into 3 over 4 whole power x into 2 power x, 2 into 2 over 9 whole power x into 2 power x. Multiplying 2 power x, it will cancel. Here you will get 3. Next, here 3 into 2 by 3 whole power x will get is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 whole to the power of x will get plus 2 into 2 by 3 whole to the power of 2x will get here. Now send all the terms to one side. These two terms we are sending that side. 2 to the 2 into 3 by 2 whole to the power of x. Sorry, 2x. First we'll write 2x plus 2 into 2 by 3 whole to the power of x. This one I am writing like this. 3 by 2 I am writing as 2 by 3. Reciprocal I am writing in the denominator. Minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole to the power of x minus 3 equal to 0. So here a by b whole to the power of n equal to 1 by b by a whole to the power of n. So we are using this formula to convert this here. Now let 3 by 2 whole to the power of x is equal to t greater than 0. Sorry, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole to the power of x equal to t greater than 0 for every x belongs to real numbers. Now you'll get 2t square plus 2 by t minus 3t minus 3 equal to 0. Now if you take LCM, 2t cube minus 3t square minus 3t plus 2 equal to 0. So here in the first one and last you can take 2 common. 2 into t cube plus 1 minus 3t into t plus 1 equal to 0. So 2 into t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1 minus 3t into t plus 1 equal to 0. Now here you can take a t plus 1 common. Here you'll get 2 into t square minus t plus 1 minus 3t equal to 0. So t plus 1 into 2t square minus 2t plus 2 minus 3t equal to 0. T is equal to minus 1 you'll get now. But we have taken the t is greater than 0, so we are not considering this. 2t square minus 5t plus 2 equal to 0. So here you have to find the factors of this. So here you'll get 2t square minus 4t minus t plus 2 equal to 0. 2t into t minus 2 minus 1 into t minus 2 equal to 0. T minus 2 into 2t minus 1 equal to 0. T is equal to 2 or t is equal to 1 by 2. So here replace the t value. Replace t value 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole to the power of x equal to 2 or 2 by 3 whole to the power of x equal to 2 power minus 1. 1 by 2 I am writing like this. So x is equal to log 2 to the base 2 by 3 or x is equal to minus log 2 to the base of 2 by 3. I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.